This is Free Talk Business 2, and this is Lesson 5 Review, How to Improve Your Business Presentations. Excuse me, Mr. Johnson, do you have a moment? Sure, Aiko. What's on your mind? I've been trying to improve my presentation skills, but I'm not sure how to really master them. The key is consistent practice. The more you present, even in small situations, the more confident and clear you'll become. I read an article where an economist argued that soft skills, like communication, are becoming more valuable than ever. Yes, identify the specific parts of presenting you want to improve, like voice, structure, or audience engagement. I think I struggle most with speaking clearly under pressure. Then focus there first and ask for regular feedback. Thank you. I'll try that. I want to grow into someone who can lead confidently. You're already on the right path. Mastery doesn't come overnight, but with effort and support, you'll get there. Okay, good job.